Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be attempting to do a rainbow eyeliner tutorial. So I've already primed my eyelids and I will be using the Morphe X James Charles palette as well as a white eyeliner. So let's get started. I'm going to start by applying the shade Punch Me into the crease as a transition shade. I'm just going to be doing a super simple matte eyeshadow look, so that the eyeliner really pops. Just gonna add a little bit of that shade to the very outer corner as well. Next, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that same shade on the lower lash line. Next, I'm using the shade Canvas on the lid just to kind of brighten up my eyes. And to brighten up the inner corner just a little, I'm going to use a little bit of the shade Flashback. Just kind of blend that in there. I am going to be using a white eyeliner as the base. I'm using the Colourpop eyeliner in Graceland. I'm not the best at doing eyeliner, and I'm going to make this a little bit of a thicker eyeliner just because I know I'm going to be putting colors on top of it. So let's see how this goes. Probably gonna do the wing portion off camera and then I will be right back. Next, I'm just going to be applying all the colors of the rainbow on a very small brush like this, and I'm going to be starting in the inner corner and adding all of the colors. This is You're Kidding. Next, I'm going to take the shade B. I am kind of trying to overlap these colors a little bit. Next, I'm going to take the shade Social Blade. And at the end, I am going to be cleaning up the line on top with some powder. Next, I'm going to take the shade Brother. And to finish off the wing, I'm going to be using the shade Single. I did add a little bit of the shade Escape, and now I'm just going to go clean up the fallout under the eyes, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to clean up the liner on top using the shade Canvas. And I'm also going to reapply some of the brown that I was using because when I removed the fallout, I also kind of removed the shade that was under there, so I will fix it and be right back. I did add a little bit of the shade T in the outer corner and lower crease, and I did add a little bit of Ring Light in the inner corner, but anyways, last step is to apply mascara. I did do my lower lash line mascara off camera, but here's the finished look. I did just want to add a few of my final thoughts. I think that these pigments are probably not meant to be put over eyeliner. I know that the base that you put them on top of is usually pretty specific, and I think that's why I struggled a little bit with like the purple and the blue especially. I had a little bit of trouble putting it on the white eyeliner. But other than that, I am pretty happy with this look. If you liked it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!